Hi, welcome to your son or daughter's marine and freshwater biology class. My name is Tyler Reese, and I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial of the class, how to navigate Canvas, expectations in the class, where we're heading in this class, and hopefully cover all general questions. So first things first, navigating your son or daughter's dashboard is going to work pretty simply. It's pretty obvious which one is marine and freshwater bio. If you don't notice this, you should notice the GIF. So click there. Everybody will be brought to this home page. First and foremost, this image, this banner of a coral reef, if we click that, this is how your son or daughter will check in on their remote days via this ungraded survey, and this is how I post their attendance. If they don't do that, I'll look for an assignment if there was a turned-in assignment that day, but if there wasn't, then all I have to rely on is this. There's a lot of good information here on the home page. We have our Zoom link to our Friday remote sessions, a how to navigate the home page video, some explanations on what everything on the home page means, what these things are likely to be used for. We also have a direct link to my Twitter feed, which is Mr. Reese_GAHS. Feel free to give me a follow. I share all kinds of things from student work to cool science things, and hopefully everything in between, everything awesome. And then this is the bottom down here, which is some quick links. Now really, in this class, and in all classes, we pretty much just go from the home page and navigate directly to our modules. And you know what, before I do that, let me go back. I'll go to Student View, which is what you're going to see if you're looking at your son or daughter's Canvas homepage. So now I'm in Student View. Go into Modules. So the way these modules are going to be set up is that each module is going to be 1 week of school. Okay, the most current week is the 14th to the 18th of September, and you can see that's the most recent module right here at the top of the modules page. Break them down by day, Monday through Friday. Let's see, if we click on the learning resources for said day, like today's Monday, you can see a link to a Google slideshow that can be found on this page. And students are free to make their own copy of this, but these are the slides we'll be using for our content throughout the beginning part of this course. Alright, and all previous modules, aka previous weeks, can be found below the most recent one. Okay, these are a little bit out of order. I can rearrange those, no worries about that. But that's pretty much all the navigation that's really required for this Canvas page, and we can navigate back to our home page from here. I really try to keep everything inside the modules, inside the days of the week that they're supposed to be done, and I try to be as clear and specific as possible with students about how they are to stay on the specific day, and working ahead can be a detriment in a time where everybody's still kind of adjusting to an online teaching environment and learning environment. I can be reached via email or phone. Call the high school. My extension is 6176. My email is treese, that's TREESE, at gasd-pa.org. It can be reached at either one of those locations. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you. Bye. Before I go, one last thing that I would like to share with you is just a little bit about the curriculum or content in this course. We are going to cover everything from freshwater to marine bio, marine vehicles, different types of water and the life that lives within them. But also this class is mainly project driven, meaning it's basically piloted by the students as we go. And I sprinkle in content where it's appropriate to guide their projects that they're going to complete. And we do actually get to take care of live fish within the classroom, which if you were here, we get to see some of the fish tanks. Students are actually going to start working on those fish tanks later in this week and actually be starting their second project. All right, if you have any questions about that or anything I said previously, feel free to reach out. Thank you.